All right, what you see before you is a roper dryer, and you see the switch. What this dryer is doing is this is not moving at all, and when I put it on timed, it didn't move. So there's something causing the motor not to spin. So let's go through this and listen as you hear. Click, 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 more clicks, clicks, and then the off. Okay. First, we're going to remove the switch here. Okay, you can take a look. That's what it looks like. It's offset, kind of like in the shape of a D. So it's keyed. All right, next I'm going to disconnect the power. All right, and then take off the back, and I'll show you that in just a second. It's going to take me a few minutes, but in terms of your time, it'll just be a second. We are behind the dryer. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1/4 inch screws that I'm going to have to remove. 1/4 inch American. So let me do that. Stand by. As you can see, there is the plate that I removed. There is the looks like 5 screws. Judging from the back, here is the timer, but what I want to do is grab the all-important schematics. I got to dust this off too, I apologize. But anyway, it's been working great for years, but we can see a big red, black, a blue, a violet, then on the other connector here, an orange, a white blue, and a green white, or I guess white green, white blue. And then this connection here, which goes to, I think, the motor. There's nothing. Here's the start switch, but there's really not a whole lot to it, which is good, which helps to point it this direction because it wasn't moving at all. Let me see if I can get a number on this. Hold on, I'll have to take a look. But let me get to the schematics and we'll continue from there.
All right, what we have here is the schematics to the dryer circuit. What you see in the scroll here, the dotted line are optional features, okay? But what you see at the top, we have the 240 volts. We have 120 volts. The 240 goes across the whole circuit. This 120 goes to this portion here, which is the door switch. You see a heating element here, the push to start right there. All right, and as it works, here your circuitry, it can go a couple of ways depending on your switch settings. One here is how the unit dries, and it has a limit in operations. But the thing is you see this motor here, and when it's set here, you can set it so it does the timing, and the timer breaks the circuit, and that's never happening when it's in the time mode. And that's because I'm speculating that the motor isn't moving. When the new part gets here, we'll do some more checking. But with that, I have ordered this part here. Stand by. You can see here that this is the back picture I took of the motor. It's a 418 20B5. I went online and found a replacement, so stand by. The schematic also showed a picture of the timer. You can see right up there the timer, the connector with the two inputs, and this is the motor that's not running, and it spins, and I'll show you that in the next video, how it makes contact with all these switches to get it to work the way that it wants it to be. What you see here is a link, and it will be in the description below, so you just have to click it. And I got it from Amazon. You can see right here, it's the number, the 418-618-20-B5. I got it with the free shipping. And if you look, well, let's just go over real quick what it says. Here's the switch. This is the stuff that it fits. This is the timer number. Okay, here we go. If you look right here, it replaces our switch. There's some more pictures of it. I guess Whirlpool, what it fixed, Maytag. You don't see anything. I believe this is a Whirlpool or Maytag. One of the two is who, I think it's Maytag that the Roper makes. There's a switch. Oh, you have people you can call. But anyway, that was the option I chose. It should be here tomorrow, and I'll continue, but I'm going to make this video and get it up there because it's been a while since I've done a video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Take care.